Hi there, I'm Angelica Sigi. Today, we're gonna discuss the case of Ernestina Bernabe versus Carolina Alejo as guardian ad litem for the minor Adrian Bernabe. RTC dismissed the complaint, but Court of Appeals ruled in favor of Carolina and his son Adrian. Facts. The late Fiscal Ernesto Bernabe allegedly fathered a son with his secretary Carolina Alejo. The son was born on September 18, 1981 and was named Adrian Bernabe. Ernesto and his legal wife died, leaving Ernestina as the sole surviving heir. Carolina, in behalf of his son Adrian, filed a complaint that Adrian be declared an acknowledged illegitimate son of Fiscal Bernabe and be given a share of his father's estate. The issues of the case. Whether or not the family code shall have retroactive effect. Whether or not Adrian Bernabe may be declared an acknowledged illegitimate son. Ruling. No, family code should not be applied retroactively. Because the child was born in 1981, his rights are governed by Article 285 of the Civil Code, which allows an action for recognition to be filed within 4 years after the child has attained the age of majority. The family code makes no distinction on whether Adrian was still a minor when Ernesto died. Thus, the putative parent is given by the new code a chance to dispute the claim. Considering that illegitimate children are usually begotten and raised in secrecy and without the legitimate family being aware of their existence. Furthermore, the grounds or instances for the acknowledgement of natural children are utilized to establish the filiation of spurious children. Hence, the petition was denied and a sale decision was affirmed.